This week on an all-new episode of The Toxic Inspector.
Gee, Inspector, another case closed.
What do you say we celebrate?
Our usual?
That's right.
Okay, 2 glasses of ice water coming right up. Oh, you know what? I should probably clean off the old mitts first.
Wilson.
Gotta make sure everything's squeaky clean.
Wilson.
And done.
Wilson!
Don't tell me.
That hand sanitizer is crawling with triclosan.
Damn it!
Triclosan is a chemical ingredient in many consumer products intended to reduce or prevent bacterial contamination. It's a common addition to antibacterial soaps and body washes, as well as toothpaste and cosmetics. Studies have linked triclosan to numerous adverse health effects, ranging from skin irritation to hormone disruption, interference with muscle function, and contribution to antibacterial resistance. Newer research shows that long-term exposure to triclosan promotes the growth of liver tumors in mice, raising concerns about its safety for humans.
So even the hand sanitizer's bad for you?
Not hand sanitizer, triclosan. Beyond reading your labels, the best way to avoid triclosan is to wash your hands with plain soap and water, or to look for hand sanitizers that use alcohol to kill bacteria instead.
Will do, Inspector. And I'm sorry for always bringing toxins into the workplace.
No worries at all, Wilson. After all, that is why the toxin gods sent you to me, as the ultimate test of my toxin detecting abilities. Now how about those ice waters?
Can I put a little umbrella in mine?
I don't know. The wood is treated with a lot of additives, but... what the heck. It is your birthday.
All right.
Don't miss an exciting new episode of The Toxic Inspector, only on Dherbs TV.